Hey everybody, today 2017 Chevy Equinox LT model. Remote start, backup camera, backup sensors. As you can see, this is a certified unit. Under 20,000 miles. You have a bumper-to-bumper warranty to 48,000 miles and a powertrain warranty for up to 100,000 miles. You got to take a look at this one. 19,000 miles, 2017 all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, here we are in the back of this 2017 certified Chevy Equinox. As always, guys, I fold down half the seat for you so you can see the storage. Tons of storage from the back seat to here, and then if you need more, you just fold them down. Fit as much as you want back here. 3-4 golf clubs, take your buddies out, put all the craft and stuff, put all the yard sale stuff in here. Works like a truck, gets 26 miles to the gallon. Now let's look at the comfort and convenience. Here we are inside the 17 Equinox, guys. This one has the two-tone interior, nice little added upscale touch for you. 7-inch touchscreen radio with voice commands, steering wheel controls, Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth, cruise control, everything you need. This one, even though it's cloth, the seats are heated. So you have the heated cloth seats, the backup camera, the backup sensors, which will stop you if you're not paying attention. We have side blind zone alerts in this one. Everything you need for safety, everything you need for gas mileage. Give us a call, 724-349-3000, Delaney Chevrolet. We'll see you later.